What is good, everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. And today I have some early sneakers right here that I managed to cop, and these didn't even come out in the US yet. They do come out April 24th. I do know that, but I managed to cop them pretty early. And yeah, I just want to show you guys, get your opinions on these, and just show you guys how these look if you guys are looking to buy them when they come out. But enough talking, let's just get straight into the shoes. I did try to record this earlier, but the mic was messing up, so I'm here re-recording it. We have right here a black Nike box. I'm surprised this didn't come in a orange Nike box. You know, those regular orange Nike boxes, just with the flap. It actually came in this nice black box. Nike right there, Nike right there, Nike, just Nike branding everywhere. And obviously you got your size tag right there. How I got these early, I don't even know. I forgot when I ordered these, but I was grinding on Fortnite. I was up late, and on Twitter I actually have notifications on. I follow like these sneaker pages that tweet out links or just tweet out when sneakers are coming out. And yeah, I was just grinding on Fortnite, and one of them tweeted out that these were dropping in like a couple minutes. So I was up and I wanted these shoes, so I was like, why not try to get them? And obviously it was pretty early, because when I checked the Nike sneakers app, these were supposed to come out April 24th. And I mean, I got them in my cart. They did sell out on the website, and the website I got them from was JD Sports. So I'm guessing they dropped in the UK first, and then we're getting them in the US later on. But yeah, got them in my cart, got them in my size, managed to cop. I'm not complaining. We have the Air Max 97 CR7. They're calling this the Portugal. What are they calling them? Yeah, they're calling these the Portugal Patchwork. Now, this is the second colorway they released. The first colorway was that gold. The shoe was all gold. It kind of looked like the gold 97s, except it was a CR7. Had CR7 hits here and there, and those were actually fire. And I believe they only dropped in Europe. They didn't even drop in the US, which sucks, because I wanted a pair all red. You're probably wondering, why is it all red? You know, Cristiano Ronaldo from Portugal, so that's the color. But I'm gonna be honest, in pictures, this color red looks better in pictures than in person. In person, this color red kind of looks like a light red, more of a pinkish kind of red. I don't know, it kind of looks like a candy red, if that's even a thing. But it's not a red like it shows in pictures, which kind of sucks, but I mean, it's still fire. And yeah, the details on these, has like patches, as you guys can see. There's like stitches all over the shoe, and that's pretty much supposed to represent when Ronaldo was little. When he was a kid, he used to play soccer in the streets, and he would get holes in his shoes, so his mom would have to stitch it up. You know, that's what they call it, patches. Stitch up the holes. And yeah, that's why they have these like patches on there. You see all that stitching on there. It's a good little detail. And obviously the whole shoe is pretty much red. It does have your 3M hits around the shoe, and then your pull tab actually says Air Max, and then it says CR7 right there, which which is dope. And your bottom is just black, white, and you have that red little bubble looking thing with a gold Nike swoosh. Got a gold Nike swoosh right there. And then you have it's green. Yeah, there you go. You see it's green swoosh right there. And yeah, man, this shoe, in my opinion, I like it. I personally think it's dope. This color might not be for everyone, but if you guys don't know, red is my favorite color, so this was an automatic cop for me. I just wish the red was a little bit more red and not like this pinkish red. Like I said, like in pictures the red looks nice, but then in person it's like this light red, light pink. I don't know. It also came with two extra sets of laces, one in green and one in this gold color, and obviously the one that it has, the red one. I might switch it out. I don't know, I might switch them out, see how they look with these other laces. And another thing that I like that Nike did on this shoe is inside. Let's see if you guys can see that. Right there. You see that right there? It's kind of hard. All right, hold up. I'm gonna have to fold this shoe. Right, you can kind of see it. Right there, you can kind of see it. That's better. Right there right there. I believe, I'm not 100% sure. I think that's Cristiano Ronaldo's signature inside the shoe. It's on both shoes. They're both on the left shoe it's on the right, and on the right shoe it's on the left. I believe that's Ronaldo's signature. I could be wrong. Honestly, I don't even know what that says. And it's like stitched in there, so that's like a good detail right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this shoe. As you guys can see, I'm wearing the Manchester United jersey, but it's the Cristiano Ronaldo one. I don't know if you guys can see that. You know, back when he used to play in Man U. But yeah, I'm a fan of Ronaldo. I'm a fan of the Nike Air Max 97s. And yeah, I'm a fan of this colorway. Like I said, this colorway is not really for everyone. It's loud. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it for this early look of the Nike Air Max 97 CR7 Portugal patchwork. It's a long ass name. And yeah, if you guys are looking to get a pair, I hope this video helps. And like I said, these drop in the US April 24th, I believe. And yeah, I'm just happy to get them early. Will I get another pair? I'm not 100% sure about that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos like this in the future, and I'll see you guys on the next one.